So something that my mother has been trying in her garden to help keep the birds away and has seemed to be working successful is by using these rubber snakes. They look super realistic, and you just simply place them in, cover with a little bit of leaves or whatever, and you couldn't ask for a more realistic snake. It's been keeping the birds away. And here's another one that she's using. Again, working really, really well. And here's the third one that is put by one of her, I think she's growing peas here. So this is just great to have in your garden. Very realistic. They come in different sizes, and they are a great deterrent. Hope you found this video helpful.